Fasting in Ramzan. Ramzan is like an infrequent flower that blossoms once in a year. It's not just about abstaining from food and water, but a lot more about it. Yes, of course. Suddenly, question arises in our mind that what type of Ramzan, whether we can keep a fast at least once in a lifetime. As it is the month of Ramzan, I thought, why shouldn't I write on fasting of 30 days that goes with a tough summer with not a single drop of water till iftar arrives in the evening. As it is one of the five pillars of Islam, fasting is made compulsory to Muslims who have reached the maturity and those whose health permits them to fast. Many of us have misconceptions about the fasting that it is very hard to keep, and some of us tries to move back from such fasting because they can't themselves towards the food, and of course it's not stopping towards their food but stopping their internal soul to leave all the greediness from our hearts. Let us ask questions to ourselves about the benefits behind the fasting. I will tell you all about the importance of fasting in Ramzan and its scientific benefits behind it. Actually, keeping a fast in Ramzan is not just keeping a stomach empty till iftar, but its real meaning is controlling a soul, controlling a heart, controlling a mind, and of course, to control a greediness of a heart and controlling a spiritual mind. Whatever, the definition of fasting is an aberration of from a body. Yes, fasting helps our body to detoxify and regenerate it, but only if it's done right. Fasting in Hinduism. Even in Hinduism, fasting is also practiced. They also fast to purify the body and mind and acquire their divine grace. The most commonly observed fast is on Ekadashi, which is practiced approximately twice a month. During the months of July and August, many Hindus adopt a vegetarian diet, which is another way of fasting in Mahashivratri. Fasting is also practiced in small amounts in various religions such as Judaism, Christians, Buddhism, Mormons, Taoism, Jainism, etc. Gandhi and the fasting. As we know, Mahatma Gandhi, which means the great soul, also used to fast. In the period of independence, many times he called hunger strike for India's freedom movement. He undertook 18 such strikes during this period. Gandhi used fasting as a weapon as a part of his philosophy of ahimsa as well as satyagraha. He was a frequent supporter of fasting by religious conviction and as a way of feeling oneself of the contents of the body. His longest fast lasted 21 days in Delhi from 18th of September to 8th of October 1924 for Hindu Muslim unity. As a result, fasting ended with listening of Quran and reading of Gita. So, a small fasting can be a great reason for the union of Hindu Muslim dispute of having different background and culture of both of the religions. So, there are numerous scientific benefits of fasting in Ramadan. According to science, it requires 21 days to make an habit we want. If we want to make your personality very patient, so let's keep a fast for at least 21 days. So, most important thing that we should notice is that fasting boosts our brain. Yes, in a US study, scientists found that the mental focus achieved in Ramzan increases your level of brain derived from the neurotrophic factor. Ramzan acts as a fantastic detoxification of a body. But not eating or drinking throughout the day, there is a rare chance to detoxify our digestive system throughout the month. As a body starts eating the fat reserves to create energy, which will burn the toxic and as a result lowers the cholesterol, which can be seen increasing the cardiovascular health, which decrease in heart disease. Dates that we ingest more in Ramzan is because eating 3 dates every day improves the digestion and contains proteins with high level of potassium, magnesium and vitamin D. In recent studies, it has shown that the fasting can regenerate the immune system and might even boost the cancer cure effects of chemotherapy in cancer patients undergoing treatments. It boosts cognitive performance and may help in preventing neurodegenerative disorders in really unbelievable. Most important, it promotes blood sugar control by reducing insulin resistance. It enhances heart health. It could delay aging and promote long life. My experience of fasting in Ramzan. So, at last, my experience of keeping a fast in Ramzan increased my patience level, positive thinking, of course, making health routine of healthy diet in Ramzan. Waking up early in the morning for fasting has made me a daily routine in my life. Believe me, it really works on a mental and physical health. So I hope that you will also keep a fast at least once in a lifetime.